Oh, the plants are here.
टोटल 20 है ना. So
Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back. It's I think 10:30 and we just got all the plants delivered. We asked for 2 more, so he's getting 2 more plants. I never thought these things would make me happy, but they make me so happy. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna put some of them in our bedroom, but this is what it is like. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna water our plants. Babe, can you open it? This is like my favorite. This is my favorite road in the whole wide world. I love 12th Main. I miss everything about 12th Main, babe. There's Bounce. I come to Bounce. There's Jaipur. I shop from Jaipur.
Fab India.
There's Fab India's on that side of 12th Main. How much I missed. Can we please just stay in Indiranagar?
Yes.
We've reached Little Italy. Let's go. So, hello. Okay, so we've come to Little Italy. This is on 100 Feet Road in Danagar, and we've ordered the same thing we order all the time, which is a ravioli in pink sauce and aglio olio spaghetti. Yeah, super excited. We didn't eat anything since morning because we've been busy. So this is our first meal, and what's the time? It's 1 o'clock. So Manjot's super hungry. I'm not hungry. I don't know why, but I'm sure once I start eating, I will love it. Okay, cheers. You can come. Thank you. Complimentary dessert.
I forward all the messages I got.
Okay, so we're just getting out of. Should we go by lift or?
Yes. You can't go. You can't go.
Okay. We're getting out of Little Italy, babe. I'm so scared of this lift.
It's a slow moving lift. So.
Okay, so as I was saying, we're gonna double road now to pick up flowers from the person who I always get flowers from. Okay, Little Italy. My God, I think I've told everyone about Little Italy. I need to wear my seatbelt. So the food at Little Italy was always the best. Like it was amazing, right? I don't know what has happened. We've come back here after I think a month or 2, and it was just sad. Like the aglio olio, the most basic thing, was sad. Oh my God, look at him.
What?
The aglio olio was just sad, and the ravioli was okayish. I could smell, it was pink sauce, but I could smell the tomato paste. The dough, excuse me, the dough, straight. The dough of the ravioli was kacha, so it was not fully done. It was just, the lime soda, it was horrible. So what I'm trying to say is that I think something is wrong. I think the chef has changed or something has happened. Even the serving, what they were serving the food in, that was also like, it looked very bad. Like it was not Little Italy standard, and it's not cheap. It's like, it's not expensive, but it's not a very cheap place. So I don't know. Come to the flower shop. I'm gonna take a few flowers. This is on Double Road, by the way. So pretty. Which ones do you like? You know which one I'm gonna take?
These.
No, sir. I'm gonna take these
Oh,
only.
these ones.
Yes.
All basically these. 1, 2.
Yeah.
3 or this also has it.
This is the flower shop I come to. Very nice. No, Manjot was told by Dada that today is rose day, so now he has to buy me a rose. No. Taken the flowers. Manjot got me a rose, as you guys saw. Manjot, we're gonna go to hot chips and get some chips. Okay, so now we got a hot chips. We got a lot of hot chips. We got 2 packets for us. Packets in the sense, totally 400 grams. Because Sej Didi and Ujjwal Jiju is coming over. Now they're coming over tonight. So I've realized that when I edit my vlogs now, I realized what shit English I speak. Now we are going home. It's like my mom and dad's. I'm going to pick up a few stuff. I'm going to pick up books. Not to read, but to put it as decor.
That's why English is not.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go home, pick up some books, maybe one plant. Can I pick up a plant?
Even if I say no, I know you will. You show me that puppy face.
What?
You give me that puppy face and then I can't say no.
Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, so basic. Yeah. I'm going through a plant phase. I think this happens to everyone. I'm going through a plant phase where I just want to buy plants and plants and plants. We have reached CG. I love CG. I've also lived here for like most of my life. So this is home. And I want to stay here. Like, even if I got another apartment here, it would be so nice. I love the area. I love everything about CG. More plants. I'm taking this. Yes. Manjot, you're always on your phone in every clip. Taking this plant, and we're taking this tholi and that tholi. Let's go. Chalo. We're going home now. Wait, Manu. Dara. 4 and we are entering home. Hello everyone. So I'm back. I just watered the plants. Sarita Didi is gonna come. Everything is in a mess. I have to keep all these stuff where they belong. And then yeah, I'm gonna just get ready after that. I just have to be ready by 6:30. So let's start. Okay guys, it's 5. It's gonna be 6.
6?
We're exhausted, yeah. Someone sent this. Someone sent this. We don't know what it is. We don't know who it's from, but let's see. So it's Rajanigontha. Who's it from? Oh, Sehaj Didi sent it. Is she calling? Yeah, Sehaj Didi is calling. Just look at this. How pretty. So Sehaj Didi. Apparently, Sehaj Didi got us a subscription. So we're going to get flowers like every Sunday or Saturday for 1 month. That's like the sweetest thing. I love flowers. Thank you so much, Sehaj Didi, if you're watching this. Okay, she got us a lot of flowers. So there's Rajnikandha. There's those that I showed you guys. I'm going to put that somewhere else. And then also these tall ones. Oh my god, so pretty. Okay guys, so I've been non-stop working. It's 6:45, I think. Sehaj Didi and her husband, they're gonna come, I think in an hour. Almost done. I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen after this. But let me show you guys the update. So I've kept these flowers here. We got a small cake. We're gonna keep it inside this. I'm gonna keep butter inside this. Then I've kept these flowers here. Oh hi! I've kept these flowers here. I've kept these flowers here. These petals in the flower here. I've kept more flowers next to Rastu. And I think the best part is that I've kept all the Rajnikantha on the puja table, and it smells amazing as soon as you enter. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. And then, oh, I didn't show you guys the update. So these two shelves are kind of still empty, but I have kept books here, here, and here. These are the books that I got today. This bedroom is sorted. It's clean and tidy. Our bedroom is also kind of sorted. I'm just gonna quickly clean the side tables, but other than that, it's kind of fine. It's always usually fine. I'm gonna also keep my bag. And what else? That's all. Manjot's keeping all the dishes back, and then I'm gonna do the kitchen once he's done. Also, I'm gonna light all of the candles. I'm thinking I should put the carpet. Manjot's like, no. And outside looks so pretty. Oh my god, guys, this looks so pretty. Okay. Yep. Is playing FIFA. Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Not the right time.
Excuse me, sir. I need help. Sir.
Not the right time.
We have guests coming, sir.
Liverpool needs me.
Manjot. It's 7:30. Half an hour to go. I have tidied up the kitchen. Clean. I've tidied up the side tables. And I just have to do a few bits and bobs. Also order a few things that we're gonna eat. And Manjot is still playing FIFA. Yeah, he did a lot of work. How pretty does this look, guys? Wow. Oh my god. It's what's the time, babe?
11.
It's 11:30. We had so much fun, by the way. The food was really good, but more than that, like Sahaj Didi made dessert. She made a tiramisu, a Biscoff tiramisu. But it was so good. This is what it is. Look at the layers. And this is the cake we got. There's a lot of food left, like a lot of food left. So also going to give some to Mama and Baba tomorrow. But we had the best time. Sahaj Didi and Ujjwal Bhaiya, if you're watching, we had an amazing time. And we can't wait to see you again. Anyway, I am going to clean up and then sleep because tomorrow is another exciting day. Thank you for watching. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.